Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 15. This is Section 3.2, Problem 15. It says put the following decimals in order from smallest to largest. And we have 0.44, 0.096, and 0.0442. So we want to go in order from smallest to largest, so we want to figure out which one of these three numbers is the smallest. So if it's not completely apparent just by looking, what you want to do is start with the leftmost digit, make a comparison. If you find it good, if there's a tie, then move over one digit to the right and make a comparison and keep going. So the leftmost digit, all three numbers start with a 0. So I have a three-way tie. I still don't know which one's the smallest. Move in one digit to the right. So I have a 4, a 0, and another 0. Well, now I do have a tie with the 0. So the one with the 4 is not the smallest one. I can put that one to one side for now. So the 0.096 and 0.0442, I have a tie at the second digit in. So now if I go to the third digit to the right, now I have a difference. I have a 9 and a 4, and I want to find the smallest one. 4 is smaller than 9, so of the list, the smallest of all is the 0.0442. So if I want to list them from smallest to largest, that's the number I need to write first. So the first one I write is 0.0442. Now that I've determined where that number goes in the list, I'll cross it off. I don't need to deal with it anymore. Now I want the next one comparing 0.44 and 0.096. So I want the smaller of those two. Again, they both start with the 0 as the leftmost. As I come in one digit to the right, I have a difference. One has a 4 in that position, the other has a 0. I want the smaller of the two. Clearly 0 is smaller than 4. So the middle number in my list is 0.096. Now I'm done with that one. There's only one left. It must be the largest of all, 0.44. So now I have the list in order. The first one, or smallest one, is 0.0442. The next one, which would be the middle value, is 0.096. And then the last one, or the largest of all of that list, would be 0.44.